my channel, and this is my two niece right here. Beautiful. Hi, say hi to my friends.
Hi.
How are you guys?
Good.
Good. So where are we today, Ate? This is Yana. Introduce yourself, Ate.
I'm Mariana. I am 7 years old.
Very good.
I'm 4 years old.
What's your name?
I'm
Colin. And what are we doing tonight?
Sleepover.
Sleepover. Yes! We are doing some sleepover.
Brushing my teeth.
Brushing your teeth.
Yeah.
Where, Ate?
Red doors.
Red doors. You say thank you to Red doors.
Thank you, Red doors. This is the room.
And what are we gonna do with the room? Oh, you hold this like that. You hold it like that. You wear this bracelet muna. Okay. And then you turn. Make sure that your face is covered. Oh, you started the door. Started the door, ha? Careful.
This is a door where we put
So let's start at the door. For example. Okay. Come. Hello, everybody. We are going to do some room tour like that, ha? Okay. Again. Here. You follow Ate. You follow Ate and baby. You follow Ate. Start.
Welcome to our room.
Yay! Let's go. Okay, so what are you gonna say? This is my room for tonight. Over. So describe your room. Let's start at the toilet. Bathroom. Well, what are you gonna see here? So what's inside? What's inside?
Shower.
Shower. Describe the shower. How can you describe the shower?
You'll take a bath.
Take a bath. And there's a lot of soap. Choose whatever.
You want.
Yeah, very good. Oh, what else? You can see a lot of mirrors. Toilet. Very good. Oh, what are you doing there? Baby, are you brushing your teeth? Introduce your baby sister. Introduce your baby sister.
This is Scarlett and she likes to
Eating candies. Yeah. Oh, the chocolates. Oh, it's so messy. What else? Introduce your bed.
This is Tita's bed where we will sleep.
And your bed.
This is where our bed we can sleep or jump.
Oh, you jump.
Can we change the bed?
Yeah, sure. And your window, Ate. What you can see in the window? Let them see.
We can see all the window and the we can see
The view.
Yeah.
The city lights.
I see the light.
And what's below?
Houses.
Cars. And then it's so dark. Alright, what's that? The television.
We will watch it if we sleep or that is when we have to sleep like a sleepover.
Yay! But what are you eating right now? What happened now? Oh, what happened to the chocolates, Ate? Okay, you keep it. You teach the viewers on how to keep and how to clean. Okay? Very good. Keep it. Oh, where is your baby sister? She's inside. Peekaboo! What are you doing there?
She wants to play hide and seek.
Okay, so what else are you gonna say to our viewers, man?
Subscribe to my Tita's channel. This is the end of the tour. Yeah.
Bye!